Yes, I wanted to ask a question about starting a small business, maybe like a small game room with pool tables and things.
Okay. Do you have a specific question?
How can I get started?
How do you
and
get
what
started?
does it take?
Okay.
Well, starting any business typically requires a three-step process. The very first thing is to get a legal entity set up, then to make sure that you are covered from a legal standpoint as far as employment practices, making sure that you have a business license, and to make sure that you're not doing anything that is illegal by state law. So for instance, if you're running a game room, making sure that none of those games are gambling machines, for instance. And then finally, making sure that you're protected as far as intellectual property is concerned, because if you're dealing with somebody else's products, there might be limits on how you can advertise those, how they want their names presented. You might also want to make sure that you've taken care of all the sales tax issues, but it's very important. There's many things that get involved with starting a business, and it's not just simply signing a lease. So